happy right now. Oh my God, I'm pregnant, but I don't know who's the father.
I'm gonna be a father. I love you, baby.
Congrats, Mrs. and Mr. White.
Baby, it's time!
Yes, hello. We need an ambulance right away. My wife is in labor. Breathe. Just keep breathing. We're almost there. It's not mine. I don't want it.
No, please don't.
Устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой.
You fucked my wife, you fucking bastard!
I missed you guys. Thank you for coming.